Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment after finish watching the video. Tell me what you think about the video, and make sure you hit that hype button as well. Hype my video up. I heard it helps push out the videos on YouTube. That's what I heard. But anyways, today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. Here's the box right here. It said VEVOR Tough Tool half price. I bought this tool off of eBay, and I got it in time. It came like 3 days. I think I bought it on Friday, and you know, Saturday is not really a business day, but I bought it on Friday. I got it today. Today's Tuesday. But I'm doing unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna flip my camera. So yeah guys, flip my camera. Now this tool basically is a tool. It's a very important tool to have. It's a tool for to remove the inner tie rod. So here we go with unboxing, guys. I don't want to hold you guys up. You know how that goes. Not random. Hate holding people up. Feel me? I'm in the garage, so all those extra stuff that you see all around, you know how that goes. Alright, so you can see right there. That's what I was reading in the beginning. Alright. Pop this open. Pop that open, guys. Comes with a manual, and see the manual say inner tie rod removal tool kit. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Hopefully it holds up, and hopefully it's strong enough, because I know I've been hearing a lot of things about different ones that people bought, especially from Harbor Freight, that they had to return theirs. This one I bought online, and I never heard about this brand. Never heard about this brand before, so could drop the box, drop this down, pop this up, and here we go, guys. I bought this for like 30 something bucks. I can't remember the price exactly how much I bought it for, but they have the different sizes. You feel me? All the different sizes, like a 40 millimeter up here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm basically gonna match it up to see what size it basically fits to get that inner. It's a long pole. Over here is where you put your 12-inch, not 12-inch, half-inch socket wrench. You feel me? To twist the tie rod out of that position. So yeah guys, so this right here is a tie rod removal tool, guys. So you got the different pieces right here, here. I think it's like 12 piece. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, yep, 11 12 piece. So, and for the people who don't know what a tie rod is, the inner tie rod is what basically what steer your vehicle. You know, when you turn your wheel, it move. That's it, your tie rod. They have the inner, they have the outer, and the inner tie rod. This is the inner tie rod removal tool for the people who don't know. I know this was a quick and easy unboxing, and I can't wait to use it. I will be using it in my thing. I will be using it in my video coming up, me removing the outer tie rod. I'm going to be using it, so you know, stay tuned for that video as well. But this is all I want to show you guys. It's a quick unboxing. Got it off eBay. They have different types, they have different brand basically, but got this for a good price, and it came in time. My axle's supposed to come in time, come today as well, so I'm also waiting on that. Well, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you guys hype that video up. Please hype my video. When you hit that like, make sure you scroll across and hype my video as well. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a blessed, safe, prosperous day. You know, and keep on watching. You feel me? I got a lot of different car videos, you know, on my channel, doing a lot of different car contents. You feel me? Well, peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out. Peace.